Dimension TV na ene de me no kasa udru boko aye gidi say you know nini na ne say chese koko smuggling bi koso wo ho fa police for any immigration sans na soldier for nso amu na asem nini na ne say yeni na ye nim say ba Ghana na ba say ye chichi akronfo de ene police for ene di say ejuma nanso ase we die a soldier for any immigration for ede omho abetum ena me de wo ekase chese boko de esense wo esi wo ho etu otutu ne de ene kwa na ekoba ene wa obusani bi ewo boko no mesre so obefre no na we bisa no se sen na ne ho etie ebusuafo mo ma yehwe video no embra ye ba na ye chirechi
Police and military, go.
It is police who arrested cocoa, smuggling cocoa from. They wanted to cross, and we have a barrier at Wudana. I was there. I know there before at Wudana, and the police at Wudana barrier border there intercepted it and arrested it. That they are bringing it to Boko. So, and then military people came that they want to take the cocoa to customs. And then then the police asked them, what do you know about the cocoa? And what power do you have to take the cocoa? Or do you know something about the smuggling cocoa or what? So then they couldn't overpower police. So the police were escorting the cocoa. So the custom people and the military who came together to take the cocoa on the way. And the police said, no. If you know something about it, I will know. So that is where the gun exchange of guns came out. So it's not police who is escorting. They arrested it, and military people said they want to take it, and they did not agree, because that's not a duty of a military man. Arrest is not a duty, so they did not agree. It's not police who is escorting the cocoa to go. They rather arrested it when it was about to cross, and they were bringing it to Boko.
Aye,
the police need chemua. One more process for na akwachi smugglers e mo twi Ghana koko akotogo akoton. And na Ghana forces mo so money military police mo so money soldier for money immigration for na gina ho. Na maka kire police force koko a omo akwa smugglers mo akwa akwachi mo ba beji koko na akwa immigration for no say no ho na asoma mo. Mo dwumani mo core business and say mo chikoko
na je say immigration for na show mo free soldier for no
immigration na soldier for na one
yes
and na police force na kwakwache immigration police force adwuma no it does say kwakwache say na wo soldier for mo afede da ben na Ghana hard mo soldier for na echi obi akọ wiade mo Ghana force for adwuma no na nya hwehwe ni mu a okay fine enya yibia Samu wa interest mu aka me hu ne yenya amamo enso so awusi buoyi
twintwan
and was wouldn't be wo ade akotwa aka say bia bia enua ade bia ye bi ye say abc nti you dey jama yen yenya ye nuafo ne ya hwese de bisi aye na chenchena ye ne akwache na wo beje akoma immigration
afana se bia no so da for so mo boy chire he se Ghana bia se obi anye ni yonku ni o
wo boy chire se
na se vice president kan iska o se na do boy chire na kura kan iska o se vice boy chire. What I say Ghana ye hu
Ghana forces no
share
Ghana forces no modman say obi baboya ni a na wo mo akobo wo
ofase ni omo wo ya so ka
bibia sie na agia prosifo ensem no man afro so menua mmeboa ye
we dey anyi wo mo ensem
disaster bi make us say me be ya akra me free office na me monitor US
okay
hurricane Milton sa from Manjam to do na yi yo no enya Florida hoda jenu baako besene eno baako
Helena no
no wakum nipa 283 ewa America wakum America 483 nsuo no nko a wakoya na Milton no so baaye enti ba usa sojafo atia nsuo no na wo mo eje nkofo yi nkofo firi nsuo mo san nkofo na ma ye evacuation
na ye sojafo
na yakochi kokko kakra kokko yo mo de Smyggled kra mo entimi overpower police fo no na sojafo so mo ba da ginos menuanom Greg for enchi koko blacks eduma so na and say we have
adani ntokwa ya
no was boy yes de bia ya na ya de nyama o be je ko bachiri
wo fa
karase ano no and dan to karase Facebook fo anu say wa mo to so aba
ani o mo nto na asem we di ofa
wa mo to
wo fa na so mo nyina ya security for
niko niko da boss police for the asem
statement about
na na ye monitor
wo nyina mo ya ba ko mo nkan mo mai
na na ye monitor security agencies resolve misunderstanding at Misiga checkpoint at Boko and patrona da ho no kwa munzu mu ni kakra na your audience ye no wo nyina nkan mo okay mama so wo mo obi won ma bia oni fa wo hwe TV na oni Facebook so a was say on 9th October 2024 a misunderstanding ensued among personnel of the Ghana Armed Forces, the Customs Division of the Ghana Revenue Authority and the Ghana Police Service over an intercepted consignment of smuggled cocoa bags at the Misiga security checkpoint at Boko in the Upper East region. We wish to state that the Ghana Police Service yesterday, 9th October 2024, intercepted the smuggled consignment based on intelligence and were in the process of escorting the truck to the Boko Divisional Police Command for the consignment to be handed over to Cocoa Board. And the corporates investigated and prosecuted by the police in line with established protocol with Ghana Cocoa Board. For the record, the Ghana police recently intercepted smuggled cocoa bags. This there is cocoa beans.
I was here for any video now. We share and who's a police for name, soldier for enemy, sounds na immigration for and so enemy. Nini nana say, na cocoa smuggling be air caution. Our police for some year one, a chance here a mokwaje. Now so. Asa muko drona a soldier for na immigration for no epese eno omo e kasa e fa ho te se tawantawa eba omunte we na ema e de etuo tutuo no e baaye midin e de Fatima aha e attention TV makram